I'm Suraj Tripathi. I'm Head School of Chemical Engineering. The chemical engineering is that branch of the engineering which deals with not only the manufacturing, it also deals with the processes, it deals with the optimization, starting from pharmaceuticals to the fine chemicals, minerals to metals, and also to polymers. The School of Chemical Engineering at KIIT University is about 8 years old. We started the school with the concept to design a center where we can integrate both academics and research. Our core objective is to train the students and convert them to skilled professionals. Our school offers exciting opportunity to the students in terms of the state-of-art laboratories, the research infrastructure, and also the training. All the UG students get the opportunity to work on the industry-sponsored project, so they understand the need of the industry and they can tune themselves for the future requirement. We are not only interested to do research, we are interested to create impact. We host multiple international projects. We have been actively working to increase our footprints in different sectors, starting from metals and minerals to oil and gas, and most recently in the polymers and the fine chemicals.